Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about nested transaction model, part of database management system course. The nested transaction model is a technique for managing transactions in a database that allows transactions to be nested within each other. In the nested transaction model, a transaction can have one or more child transactions, which are treated as a single unit of work within the parent transaction. The nested transaction model allows for the creation of more complex transaction structures, as it allows transactions to be nested within each other at any level of depth. This can be useful in situations where multiple transactions need to be created as a single unit of work, or where transactions need to be grouped together for other reasons. However, the nested transaction model can also be more complex to implement and manage, as it requires the database to track and manage multiple levels of transactions. It is important to carefully consider the trade-offs of using the nested transaction model and to choose the appropriate transaction model for a particular database and application. In some databases, the nested transaction model is implemented using a technique called Savepoints, which allows transactions to be rolled back to a specific point within the transaction. This allows the database to discard the changes made by the child transactions and restore the state of the parent transaction without rolling back the entire transaction. Save points can be useful for managing complex transactions and improving the performance of the database. Hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching.